probably didn't know. Adult cats meow only to communicate with humans, not other cats. Cats sweat through their paws. Wet paw prints, your cat might be stressed. Cats have a built-in GPS. They can find their way home from miles away. Whiskers act as radar, detecting air movements to hunt even in the dark.
These super-sensitive hairs help them sense the world around them.
Each cat's nose print is unique, just like human fingerprints. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and like if you love cats.